Breaking news pan Lisa Hyper arrest warrant. You need to stay tuned, my people. Get this video to 1,000 likes. It is indeed Protection Fridays, everybody. Stay tuned. Don't gonna stick and stay. Watch this. Everybody press the like button. Alright, so I'm not going to waste no more time, everybody. We will get into what is happening now with Lisa Hyper's arrest warrant. Okay? Yeah, that was the old video, of course. I'm here to give you the updates. You understand? Okay? Remember, of course, Lisa Hyper was, of course, arrested and charged for assault. I'm going to tell you now about the warrant and what is going to happen and what has happened with the warrant also. So Lisa Hyper has been released from the medical facility and she has been making rounds on social media. Of course, we're glad for sister she come back. You get what I say? So everybody press like on the video, share the video as we give you the new updates as it relates to what is happening with Lisa Hyper right now. You understand, everybody? Yeah, so Lisa Hyper was released from the medical facility and of course she's back on media, back making music, and of course back in the real world. All right, now for the people who have been a laugh with Lisa Hyper when she was having her manic state, right? It wasn't no joke. You understand? Lisa Hyper to me still was self-destructing. You understand? So I'm glad for sister she know more calm and she's in a better state. Now, this is what the judges have decided to do with Lisa Hyper's arrest warrant and the charge that she has faced with assault in now updated version of today. You understand? Okay? Now, remember that she said, of course, the judges ultimately that while Lisa Hyper was in custody, of course, and when she was taken to the medical facility, her family could stand as representatives for her while she was, getting medical attention and all them someday. People, listen to me. Lisa Hyper sick, okay? She got treatment. And shout out to the family also. She's now in a better place, it seems. You get what I say? But make this no mistake that Lisa Hyper is not a well person. And it is of my view, okay? I give you the video a while ago to explain, of course, the episode that she had when everything took place, when she went to the airport and tried to board a flight without a ticket. You understand? Okay, now fast forward to that time after receiving assault charges, my people. This is going to happen now with, well, this is what happened with Lisa Hyper and her warrant that was issued. Anyway, let's go. Now, a bench warrant issued for dancehall star Lisa Hyper, born Felicia Gooden. They're saying that based on the judge's order, which was given yesterday, of course, they're saying that this warrant was issued for disorderly conduct, right? And the case was called up in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. Now, the case was first mentioned on Friday, February 25, but the entertainer was absent because, of course, of what me just telling you, she was getting medical treatment. Now, based on her absence, that was what resulted in a warrant being issued for her arrest. Now, ultimately, my people, the judges have now today came with a ruling, and this is what they have decided. They have decided to abandon or vacate the warrant issued on Lisa Hyper. Yeah, this is more news. Now, her lawyer, defense attorney, Petrita Gooden, or Gabidan rather, sorry, provided documentation as to the reason Gooden did not appear on the previous court date to answer to the charges. Now, the court was satisfied and the warrant was vacated, Gabidan told the Observer. Alright, so what the lawyer did was show that Lisa Hyper was receiving medical treatment. She was at a medical facility, and of course they provided proof that she was not well. Okay, that is what happened. So another name for vacate is abandon, cancel, dash it out, All of them something there is what the judges have decided. Now, Gabidan said that the defense is confident in the justice system and that her client will prevail. Now, we are awaiting disclosure by the court on April 25, 2025. My client is in good spirits and she's anxious to have her day in court, Gabidan said. Okay? So, moving right along, it says that in Jamaica, disorderly conduct is a legal term used to describe a disruptive or offensive behavior that disrupts the peace or public order. It can involve various actions like noisy behavior in public, loitering, or disturbing others. Now, Lisa Hyper, who has struggled with mental health issues, had apparently experienced a manic episode before an incident at the Norman Manley International Airport that led to her arrest. According to the preliminary reports, the entertainer allegedly assaulted an employee inside the airport during an argument. She reportedly used abusive language, cursed the police and the airport staff while appearing live on her TikTok account. This is what they're saying. All describe Lisa Hyper's manic behavior. I'm not telling a lie. I wasn't familiar with a lot of these situations because a lot of persons would have said that maybe, she possesses her demons upon her, or whatever the case may be. You understand? We can't necessarily lean all the time on spirituality, both work hand in hand, because remember that the Almighty created doctors as well. The knowledge, to, fix illnesses and cure persons from certain illnesses and created medicines. You understand? So we have to lean upon the spiritual side as well as the doctor side. Both work hand in hand. You understand? Now, Lisa Hyper, formerly known as the First Lady of the Gaza, has been a major figure in Vybz Kartel's Portmore Empire. She is known for songs such as Amazing Money, Girl Don't Sleep, Money Don't Sleep, Sculpture, and Enough Writing. Her most recent songs include Soul Cry, where she addressed her mental issues, and her brash collaboration Altitude, featuring Sean Storm. On Friday, she will be launching a weekly event called 21 Bad Girl Fridays, which will be held at 20 to 23 Holborn Avenue in New Kingston. Okay? So, don't gonna come. She has been diagnosed. Okay? So if everybody know where I find this funny, if everybody know where I find this hilarious or whatever the case may be, it is not funny. Lisa Hyper is diagnosed and she's having mental disorder. You understand? So that is why now the manic phase is where me later learn that these are, impulsive behavior, and this stems from, of course, her state. The manic situation is what it stems from, where she act outrageous, boisterous, loud, and even, such other situations that took place with her, as we have seen previously in recent months. You understand? So this is a good look for Lisa Hyper, everybody. So we learn now that the judges, based on proof and documentation by her legal representative Gabidan, there are now vacating the warrant that was issued for her arrest, because the warrant was issued when she never turned up, only to find out that she left the police station and was taken directly to a medical facility. Okay, so this is not a criminal offense where them are going to put her in prison or whatever the case may be, for the many persons now thinking that she's about to face jail time or prison time. No. So, on behalf of Virtual TV and, the viewers and the listeners, drop a like on the video, everybody. Continue to wish Lisa Hyper the best of health, the best of strength, and may God walk with her, because this is sad. You understand that a whole heap of people feel like, say, this was a joke thing. It wasn't no joke, because people really struggle with mental health disorder, for real. You understand? So, make we just show them love and show our love and spread positivity, and most of all, awareness towards this situation, and big up her family as well, okay, that has been standing with her in this time. You understand? So, yeah, make it known that the judge has decided to ultimately vacate the warrant issued for Lisa Hyper's arrest. Yes, my people. Anyway, it's Protection Fridays, my people. Drop a like on the video, share the video. We have more to come. Stay tuned, dog. On the way, I will be back.